three words to describe this industry, I think, are dynamic bandwidth change, upgrading existing systems, and maximizing value of the existing fiber plant, both terrestrial and subsea. We saw in a lot of the panels here that there was a discussion, for instance, of how to squeeze every drop of bandwidth from your existing system. Because this year we're seeing especially a lot of tension between upgrading existing systems that have already been paid for to every drop of capacity versus a lot of new cable builds are being proposed and built right now at cost of several $100 million each. So there's this tension between upgrading existing systems and prolonging their life and bringing in new systems. So I think this year we've seen more of that tension than ever, where the two are arguing about how long do you keep upgrading systems, how long do you keep the existing submarine fiber plant alive versus installing new fiber plant. So again, very interesting this year. I think it's more discussion than ever. I've been in the communications industry for about 20 years, so it's always been very interesting. I think right now in the last 5 years, it's actually increased in interest technologically, so I'm on the technical equipment provider side. So I think the technology of 100G and coherent technology has kind of revitalized the industry. So technically, I think it's been more interesting than it ever has been in the last 20 years. In a sense, it's also a little more difficult because things are changing so rapidly, and then the pressure, price pressure commercially is very intense. But technically, I would say it's more interesting than it's ever been, and the submarine links and upgrading those are very challenging, and it's very satisfying to work on those and also enabling global networks via submarine networks.